Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me again for another acrylic pour. My name's Michelle from Michelle Hair Art. So just a quick one today. I've already flooded, just putting my gloves on. So I've already flooded my base with Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, which I've just added some white just to lighten it. Okay, so that's my base. So going to put down Amsterdam Prussian blue first. Will I do that first? Yes, I will do that first. So okay, then I'm going to put down some Mont metallic purple. Then some Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, which is the base, but just darker. Whoopsie. I have a lot of whoopsies when I do a video. Okay, then I'm going to add some Liquitex Basics Iridescent White, which just spat out at me. Just give that a little bit of a shake, I think. There we go. Last of all, some Amsterdam Turquoise blue. There we go. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a torch. Okay, we're just going to give that a little bit of a torch, pop any bubbles. Okay, so I've got a cute little travel hairdryer here that I'm going to use for the first time today. So this is my normal one. That's my normal one, and I'm just going to use this little baby one here. Okay, so hopefully this works for me. Might put it high. Okay. Actually, I think I'll just leave that. Okay, this is really pretty here. So with this base paint, I think it's the base paint that's bringing up all these cells here. I really don't mind that. It's come off the sides quite well. I'm not going to touch this bottom. I actually like all this down here. And I like this here. This I'm not going to touch because that's slowly going to go away to reveal all these pretty colours here. This is only a small 8x10 canvas, but it's turned out quite pretty, even though I'm not used to that hairdryer. Okay, so I think I just needed to maybe blow the paint over just so it could have that little bit more movement. But all in all, I think it turned out quite pretty. So I will bring you down to have a quick look. Okay, here is the finish piece. So, oh, that's pretty. Look at all that lacing there. That blue lacing. Very pretty. You can see a bit of that iridescent white shimmering through there. Okay, and we'll go up here. Again, you can see that iridescent white shimmering. Some more shimmer. Yes, all that shimmer is from that iridescent white, the Liquitex Basics one. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this quick acrylic pour. So pretty. I like the side there. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Press that like button, add a comment. I would love to know what you think, or if you've got any colour combination suggestions, I would love to hear those, and I can do a video for you. There we go. Okay, have a wonderful day. I will put some stills at the end of the video, and I will see you again very soon for another acrylic pour. Thank you for watching.